Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today we're taking the Corvette to get a new windshield. Well, the garage seems so empty without my car in here. She's still at the shop getting her windshield. But we're getting ready to start another project that sort of kind of has something to do with the Corvette, but not really. So you'll see. Alrighty, we have some 2x4s by 8. We are going to make a scrap metal bin. The one I have in the other garage is falling apart. So I figured, why not make one while the Corvette is in the shop? All right, first part's done. That's gonna be the bottom. Now it's upside down. I gotta screw it together, and then we're gonna put some casters on it. Make it easy to move around since it's gonna probably weigh a couple 100 pounds. Not the box itself, but with all the scrap metal in it. There you go. All right, as you can well see, I have put wheels on it now. Can withstand my weight so far. Seems to work well. We'll have to look in the camera and see if it bends down. I don't weigh that much. Just want to make sure I don't fall and bust my butt on this. I do need to trim the edges. Now I got to figure out how I'm gonna make the walls. All right, thank you. Oh, there we go, next step. Started the perimeter of it. Of course, I didn't think out the whole plan, the whole blueprint as I was building it, or as I was getting the parts for it. I'm sort of building it on the fly. Now I got to figure out how I'm gonna build the walls up and support them. Guess I should have continued architectural drafting. After 2 years, I shouldn't have quit, huh? All right, here's the skeleton of it. These are gonna be inside, and I'm just gonna sheathe the outsides with 2x4s all the way up. I know it looks ugly like it is, but hopefully it'll look good and be functional when I finish.
Hi. Say hi.
Hello. Trying to get out in traffic, but there's an accident up here. Wow, that windshield is clear.
So did he pay you extra?
Charge me extra, you mean?
Yeah.
No, It was the same amount I was quoted.
Oh.
A fortune. All right, there's the new windshield. We just picked the car up. We made it about 10 miles and broke down. We're on the interstate and I thought I ran over a rock. I heard something clink and then ping up underneath the car. And then once we got off the interstate, the fan belt started screaming. All because we lost the bottom bolt to the alternator. Completely gone. And it was in there because remember, I replaced this alternator. So no one's to blame but me. So we're waiting on the wife to come get us. I'll update later. All right, we're back. I got the tools and I got the bolt. My poor other Corvette is being stripped for this car. bearings here. It's not lining up. Imagine that. What? Don't get him too close. Loosen this up. Damn. I just shot under the car.
I saw that.
What I thought was a rock turned out to be it.
Oh.
What we have here is a fail to communicate. That's it. I'm gonna go back once we get to the house. Not tonight, but tomorrow. I'm gonna go back and redo these bolts. I'm gonna put locking nuts on and stuff, because this is ridiculous.
Yep.
See, because now this doesn't fit. There we go. Never mind. Oh, shit.
Did it shear off?
It sheared off. It's not long enough. Damn it. And I had this other bolt at the house, but I didn't know this was the one that was bad. Or this was bad. I can't even get a thread on there.
What about the other bolt that you put down at the bottom? Would that be better at the top?
No.
Oh.
That's to anchor it, because that's the problem, is it's turning this. It's turning and making that screeching noise.
Oh.
See, this is threaded. Unfortunately, this won't fit in the front.
Does that have to be on there to get it to the house?
This is what holds the tension.
Oh.
If not, the belt will slip.
Oh.
Wait a minute. The air conditioning belt turns the water pump also. I wonder if I could disconnect this one. We're just going right up the road. I can go without an alternator. I wonder if I could get home doing that.
That's what I was wondering, if just to get home.
Yeah. But unfortunately, this belt is behind those belts. So it's like I'd have to take them all off and then put them back on to do this one. You follow?
Yeah.
At least that one. Let me think for a second. Alright, I don't know what I was thinking. This is threaded right here. All I gotta do is take this out and go this way. And it's tight.
Oh.
Then I don't think I have to worry about that other bolt, since this is threaded. I mean, I'd like to have it on there, but this will get us home. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta tighten it first. Like I said, just to get us home. The bottom one that started this all is tight. Damn it. That's as hard as I can do it.
That's what she... Never mind.
That's what she said. Yeah, okay. We got jokes. You know where that bolt went?
No?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh. You mean the nut?
Yeah, same thing. There's not enough thread to put it on there. Let's start. I'm gonna start up and see if it does anything.
All right.
Did it.
Woohoo! She roars back to life.
Now I need to get my headlights up.
She's winking.
She's trying, damn it. She's got a lot wrong with her. I can't even feel where it's at. There we go. All right, let's go home. All right, we made it back, safe and sound. This car is aggravating as hell. I parked it in the driveway. The lights would not turn off, and then the car wouldn't start. Now it's started, and we got the lights off. And we haven't completed building our scrap metal bin. So tonight's been a disaster, but the keys are over there on the bench. But needless to say, we're done. It's Monday evening, and I need to upload this video tonight. So that's the day in the life of Whatever Garage. We got a new windshield. We broke down. We fixed it. We got home, and the gremlins are still aggravating. So this is going to be Whatever Garage out. Oh, hey, remember to subscribe, comment, share, all that happy horse shit.